Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. You know, we're live right now. I'm up here visiting Kevin, our office in Charlotte, North Carolina. And you can always watch the beginning of that video. He just went over pretty much the entire job. Let's go ahead and make another video and post this later. Notice that we put it all on plastics. Got a nice trench going. They've only been here 20 minutes and they're almost done. Very good crew, very good crew. This is Gerald. Gerald worked for me when I was up here in Charlotte. And so he's a veteran. He's been around for a while. He knows how to swing that pick. Look how hard this ground is. That's just solid stuff. White clay. Can you see that white down there? Let me show him that white clay there, Gerald. White clay. It's like rock. And I remember running our trencher down through here. The trencher would just bounce off of this stuff. Excavator does the same thing. You've got to pick this stuff to get through it. And you can see he's doing a great job. Got all those downspouts connected. Coming out here, they're going to discharge right out here at the street. Are you going to put a pop-up out here, Kevin?
We are going to put a pop-up over here. The neighbor already has an open discharge. Our goal is to be directly onto the curb and down to the storm drain.
But looking good. Gerald's got through that white clay. Now he's just finished cleaning out the trench. They'll make those connections to the main line, the laterals from the downspouts. And they'll be done here in just a few hours. I'm going to give Gerald a plug. Gerald, tell him about your channel. You got a channel, right? A YouTube channel?
It's actually not a channel, but it is a music video called You're the One. And it's an inspirational video. And if you check it out, it's You're the One on YouTube. South Tryon Street Band featuring Gerald Moore.
Gerald worked for us. If you go back through some of the old videos, I'm talking 8 years more plus ago, Gerald worked for us and he was just starting into the music. And I don't think we ever did jam together, did we? we always wanted to get together, but it just never happened. But he's gotten so good. He sent me a link to one of his videos and the music. It is so good. So what was it called again?
You're the One.
You're the One. If you can find that on YouTube, You're the One. Take a look. Give him the likes. Give him the views. That's what he needs. He needs the views.
Tell him, Chuck.
All right, guys. Enjoy your day. So you can see what's going on here. Morning. Are you the homeowner?
Yeah, one of them. Sorry, I'm just popping out.
That's fine.
Okay.
So the homeowner just came out. He's heading off to work, I guess. But we're going to hook up these downspouts. Typical problem. You can see there's a sidewalk here, and this water does get trapped. Even though it splashes and runs down the hill, it still gets trapped here. These homes have crawl spaces, and all of this water, if you don't get it away from the home, it's going to end up down in that crawl space. The best place to send this water is out to the street. Sending it out to a pop-up does work. Make sure that you get it a good distance away from the home. Homes in Charlotte are quite large. You can see this is 3 stories, and you can see the steps that come up to the home. So to get up to that upper roof, you're going to need that 40-foot ladder. Clean those gutters. So back in here, you can see what they're doing. They're going to hook up, starting with this downspout. This will be the beginning of the line, and they're trying to avoid the shrubbery, all the bushes here. So the line comes out. You can see there's a lot of tree roots in here, and it turns and heads out to the front over here on this side. And the reason that they don't go this way is you can see all the tree roots. Tremendous amount of tree roots here. Pick up this downspout. comes out, they'll tee into the main line over here. We call this the main line. The main line carries all of the downspouts out to the front. The line starts here in the back with that double downspout. This is very common in Charlotte, and I guess they don't figure that water can make that corner, so they end up doing a double downspout, but it would make that corner. This is how these gutter guys install stuff. Sorry if I sound cold, because it is cold out here. So that double downspout, maybe I can get Kevin to make that connection before I head off the job site so you can see how that's put together. And back here in the backyard, the reason that we don't just send it out back is because this water would end up in a neighbor's property. Always best to send it out to the street, out to the storm drain. Homes in Charlotte are on hills, and there's lots and lots of hills. That little downspout there off of the bay window, it doesn't catch enough water to worry about, so we don't address that at all. This is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina, showing you the live version of one of our installs. Kevin's actually going to go get some more materials, just a few fittings that were needed, and the crew will keep digging, and I'm going to sign off. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.